Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Bitcoin 22. Today we're analyzing the BTC/USDT 4-hour chart, and Bitcoin is currently trading around $60,700 after a strong bearish move from the $78,000 region. Right now, the market trend remains bearish because Bitcoin is trading below the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and 200 EMA. This tells us that sellers are still in control, and the overall momentum is weak. However, there is one important level traders need to watch closely. The key support zone is around $59,740. Bitcoin recently touched this area and showed a small bounce, which means buyers are trying to defend this level. If Bitcoin manages to hold above $59,740, we could see a relief rally toward the first resistance at $62,860. If bullish momentum continues, the next targets would be $68,340, and then $71,550. On the bearish side, if Bitcoin breaks below $59,740 and closes under this support, the next major target could be around $56,500. That would signal further weakness in the market. Looking at the RSI, it's currently near 24, which is considered oversold territory. This suggests that a short-term bounce is possible. But traders should remain cautious because the overall trend is still bearish. So, my trading plan is simple: watch the $59,740 support level. Above it, we can expect a recovery attempt. Below it, more downside pressure is likely. Now we are analyzing Bitcoin and we're taking a look at the BTC/USDT daily chart, and the market is currently trading around $60,700 after experiencing a significant decline from the recent high near $82,800. The overall market structure remains bearish. As we can see on the chart, Bitcoin is trading below the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and 200 EMA. This tells us that sellers are still controlling the trend, and buyers have not yet shown enough strength to reverse the market direction. Another important observation is the formation of lower highs and lower lows, which is one of the clearest signs of a downtrend. Until Bitcoin starts breaking above major resistance levels, traders should remain cautious. Now let's discuss the key levels. The most important support level right now is around $59,740. Bitcoin recently touched this area and has shown a small reaction from buyers. This suggests that bulls are attempting to defend this zone. If Bitcoin successfully holds above $59,740, we could see a short-term recovery toward the first resistance level at $68,750. A stronger bullish move could then target $74,190, which aligns closely with the 50 EMA and could act as a major resistance area. However, there is still downside risk in the market. If Bitcoin loses the $59,740 support level and closes below it on the daily chart, the next significant target becomes $56,500. A break below that area could increase selling pressure and potentially lead to further downside movement. Let's also take a look at momentum indicators. The RSI is currently approaching oversold territory. This often indicates that selling pressure may be becoming exhausted in the short term. While this increases the probability of a relief bounce, it does not guarantee a trend reversal. Many traders make the mistake of buying simply because RSI is oversold. But in strong downtrends, oversold conditions can last for a long time. So what's the trading plan? As long as Bitcoin stays above $59,740, a short-term bounce remains possible. But if that support breaks, traders should be prepared for a move toward $56,500. For now, the daily trend remains bearish, and risk management should be the top priority. If you enjoyed this Bitcoin analysis, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for daily crypto market updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and trade smart.